everyone, it's Happymailqueen. I'm back to share my Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio subscription kit. If you guys have the subscription, you probably already got yours or it's on the way. I just got mine today, my design team package, and so this is an unboxing. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited because I saw this on my front door earlier and I just hadn't had a chance to open the box because I went for my walk. Anyway, how cute is this? Look, I love her sticker. Isn't that fun? And then here is the items. Now, Ariel website, her website is down right now, so I believe she said she maybe, if her website is not up by today or tomorrow, she will probably have a sale on Instagram. So you might want to check it out. Check her sale on Instagram. I believe that's what she said. So anyway, let me go ahead and just share the new stuff. Oh my goodness, look at these bows, you guys. You get different kinds of bows. Oh my gosh, look how pretty these are. You have this light pink, this rosy pink, and then you have this I guess it's a blue. It's like a baby blue color. How fun are those? It looks like they are faux leather. So, and I'm not sure if this is vinyl. This might be vinyl in the metal. Okay, and then she has lots of new sequins. Look at these pretty colors, you guys. You have the white, the yellow, and look at this blue. How beautiful is that? Wouldn't that look good with the Obed Marshall or the Maggie Holmes? All of these look actually good with Maggie Holmes. But yes, fun colors. And then she does have some, let's see if these are cabochons or beads. Let's take a look, but it comes in a variety of colors and it has little sparklies on them. Can you guys see that? Like little foil flakes maybe? And these are cabochons. So yes, they are not beads. Okay, just had to take a look and see. And then she also, these are beads, I believe. So these are yellow, and look at that minty green color. Oh my gosh. Sorry about my dog, you guys. He just barked right now. It also comes in these other colors. Oh my goodness. So these are all beads. Look how pretty that is. The pink, and then you get the blue, the peachy color, and then purple. How gorgeous. And this baby pink color, and these are beads, and the holes are on the top. So they have small holes on the top. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at these clasps. These are small. These are like the plastic clasp that she had in the store the last time. But these, you guys, well, these are a little bit different. They open differently, but they're smaller. And then there are these pink round beads, alpha beads, and as you can see, the letters are in white. Oh my goodness, they're so pretty. I love that, and I don't have anything like this. Oh, look how pretty these are, you guys. Oh, look at the mint and this pretty greenish, like a tealish green. Oh, I guess it's almost like light green. And then the pinks and the darker peachy pink. Oh my gosh, those are so beautiful. Love those. She also has some trim, so I hope you guys all got the subscription because oh my goodness, you will be missing out. But hopefully she has a sale. So this is a tassel trim, and she kept the bottom part on there so that it does not, like, they ship better so they don't get all, you know, janked. So all you have to do is to pull this part down. Okay, you don't have to cut it or anything. You can pull this part down. Look how cute those are though. You can still keep this and use this as a trim. And then what you can do is just go ahead and separate the little tassel. And look at this beautiful multicolored tassel trim. Okay, so it just takes a little bit to just kind of fluff them up, but how fun is that? And look, you get a lot. I don't know how many yards this is, but it sure looks like it's a lot. And look at those pretty colors. And then this is the last thing right here. These are star vinyl pouches filled with star sequins. Do you guys see that? How pretty are those? And look at all these beautiful colors. And look at that one. Ooh, how fun is that? It's multicolored. So with these, you guys, all you need to do is to make a hole here on the top, or if you want to, so you can dangle it. You can put an eyelet on there, use your crocodile, or you can put it on the bottom wherever you want it if you want to dangle something from it. So, but this is a good size. Look at that. How fun are those? You can make keychains. So that is it. That is her new kit. I hope you guys are able to get yours. And again, check Oriel, Creative Mojo Wholesale Studio on Instagram, because her site is down right now. So she may be selling it, I think she said, on her Instagram. So thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys later.